problem occasionally arises uh, regarding what the judge has to do in a situation where he finds that a litigant or a liar is committing contempt on the face of the judge itself. Two options are available. One is under Contempt of Court Act Section 14, and the other is under Section 345 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. In both the procedures, one under Contempt of Court Act and the other under CRPC, judge has power to immediately detain the contemner whenever any contempt is committed on the face of the judge. But distinction or difference between these two procedures is that for adopting the procedure under Contempt of Courts Act, besides giving the contemner reasonable opportunity of being heard, showing cause, judge is also required to record evidence. That appears to be a lengthy procedure. But so far as procedure provided under CRPC in section 345 CR 345, I think immediate action may be taken against the contemner. Judge can immediately arrest the contemner, and after taking cognizance of the matter, he, before rising the court, after giving opportunity of showing cause, the judge can impose fine of rupees 200, and in default of the same, simple imprisonment for a term of 1 month. There is distinction of punishing the contemner in both the provisions. In Contempt of Court Act, punishment section begins with the mandate that judge can sentence the contemner to undergo imprisonment for a period of 6 months or fine to the extent of rupees 2,000 or both. But while sentencing the contemner under section 345 CRPC, judge has no option to straightway punish the offender to undergo imprisonment, but he has mandatorily to impose fine of rupees 200, and in case of default in the payment of fine, the contemner will suffer imprisonment for a period of 1 month. So, better option, and then their option to punish the contemner, I think, would be section 345 CRPC, where the judge, without recording any evidence and surely after giving show cause notice, judge can, before rising the court, punish the contemner to pay fine up to 200. So I think whenever a judge is confronted in such a situation that a litigant or lawyer is committing contempt on the face of the judge is not powerless. But judge must exercise these powers whenever such a situation arises. Okay, thank you.